Hello everyone, this is Nishta Shrivastava, legal intern from Lexis and Company, and today I am here to discuss the important procedure regarding the nomination process of the testament of the enlistment testament with that has been provided through the registration certificate of a vehicle. This entire nomination process notification is a result of the earlier proposal that had been given by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways in November 2020, pressing upon the need to amend the existing Central Motor Vehicle Rules of 1989. Now, according to this new rule, there are certain important changes that have been brought in. According to this new rule, the nominee can be added by the vehicle owner anytime of the registration or even at any later stage of the vehicle's lifetime by an online application. So, this requirement of giving out a nominee only at the time of registration and to be present in the registration certificate has been waived off. This will make the entire process that used to be very time consuming and cumbersome to be less complicated with less documentation and more convenient for the owners as well as the vehicle holders. Now, what is the procedure to nominate and how to nominate a person to be a nominee? Firstly, at the time of the nomination, the owner would be required to furnish a valid identity proof to the concerned RTO. So, a valid identity proof is the first requirement, which is very, very essential in order to go through this particular nomination process. Second, the individual nominated has to, within 30 days of the demise of the vehicle holder, has to mandatorily notify the concerned RTO regarding the same with his intention to utilize that particular vehicle on which he has been nominated with the death certificate of the owner. So, the second requirement, if we talk in brief, is that along with the death certificate, the intimation of the death of the original owner has to be intimated to the concerned RTO by the nominee. Third, after this, the individual nominated by the original holder has the right to use the vehicle as though it has been temporarily given to him for a period of 3 months. That is, it doesn't give a final transfer of ownership over that particular vehicle at the demise of the owner. Why and what is the process? Because this is followed by submission of Form 31, which is required for the final ownership and final transfer of ownership between the original holder and the nominee. So, within 3 months after the death of the original owner, the nominee has to file Form 31 to the RTO or such other authority for the final transfer of ownership of the vehicle in his name. Fifth, a new certificate of registration, that is RC, will be assigned to the nominee after the submission of the said form by the owner of the motor vehicle within 30 days after the intimation and after the filing of such submission, along with required documents such as identity proof and other essential as in when needed by the RTO. In case there arises a need to change the nominee due to certain unforeseen circumstances, for example divorce or any sort of things, the owner can definitely alter the nomination with mutual agreement by operating a standard operating process. As of now, the procedure currently in practice in the context of the demise of the owner of a vehicle is rusty and very much outdated, which that is why required a lot of complicated disclosures and documentation and various compliances relating to various rules and regulation, which made it very difficult and very cumbersome for people and especially normal people, ordinary people, to handle such nomination process, and a lot of time would be wasted in going through this entire process. This was again a problem, a huge problem, because of the different jurisdictions and the different rules in different states and different RTOs. But with this new rule and the steps taken, this particular new rule will now definitely help the vehicle owners to easily nominate a person without complying with many formalities and documents which were earlier required by the earlier rules. And this has become very easy for the vehicle holders and especially the nominees to get their transfer of title done without any greater complexities and in a very smooth manner, making it a very transparent and easier for them to do.